Opening Photoshop. First you need to do is go down to your window icon, click on it, and then type in the letters PHO. PHO, and Adobe Photoshop should pop up. Tap on that, and Photoshop should open. The first thing you should do when you open Photoshop is change the settings on your hard drive. Up here where it says Edit, go down right to the bottom. You'll probably have to tap on the very little arrow down the bottom till you get to Preferences. Preferences, go across to Scratch Disks. See how both my D and C drive are ticked? If you've got an external drive plugged in, don't tick that one, but do change this on your computer. You'll find that your main drive that it goes to will have not as much space and it fills up quickly. Make sure that both are ticked, or more, all that are ticked except the external hard drive, and then hit OK. Now you may have to restart your computer after doing that, but we'll pretend that you don't, and we'll go on to the next step.